Hello, Joseph here with the ClickFunnels Customer Education team. Today we are going to review how you can test an order form for a product you have integrated with NMI. To get started with this setup, you will of course need an NMI account already integrated with ClickFunnels. You also need a product set up through NMI and an order form page to put that product on. If you have questions about any of these steps, or you haven't done any of them, go ahead and pause this video, check the links below, and we actually have step-by-step directions on how to get each one of those set up. Assuming you do have your product, the first thing we're going to do is ensure our funnel is in test mode. While this is not strictly necessary for NMI, it does help to ensure tracking is done accurately here in ClickFunnels. With that in mind, let's go up to our settings in the top right, click on that. And we'll scroll down a little bit where we see test mode. Yours will likely be toggled off, and all you want to do is toggle that on. Once it's toggled on, scroll all the way down, save and update your settings. Now let's return to our order form page since that is done. And what we're going to do before we actually test this order form is make sure our NMI payment gateway is set to test mode. So let's hop over to NMI. Alright, so within our NMI account, we're going to go to the left navigation under Options, click on that, then click on Settings. Our next step is to go down under Transaction Options and click on the Test Mode button. From here, you will see our account is set to test mode. On your end, you will likely need to set this to test mode, and just keep in mind once you are done testing to turn this back off. In either case, once this is set to test mode, let's hop back over to ClickFunnels. Alright, now that test mode is enabled in NMI, let's see our link here. To the right, we see a little icon. If I right click on that, see I can open in a new incognito window. This is assuming, of course, you're using Chrome. If you're on a browser like Firefox, that would be a private browser. But let's open that up in a new incognito window. And we have this opened. You'll see we have NMI Example A. I'm going to go up to the top here where we have our test card number, copy that, and I'm going to put in my name, my email, and I'm going to paste that card number. On your end, you'll want to select any 3 digits for the CVC code, and any future expiration date, just like we see here. Once this is done, click to sign up. And at this point, you can see we have added our NMI Example A as a purchase here in ClickFunnels. Just to confirm that, let's hop back over to our order form page. Alright, so again, within our funnel, we can go to our sales tab. So along the top here where it says sales, let's click on that. And we can see a few seconds ago our NMI product was purchased here. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and click on the icon in the bottom right corner of your screen to get in touch with one of our support staff. Otherwise, you may want to check some of the links below. We have some FAQs and some troubleshooting steps if you are running into any trouble as you do test your payment gateway. Until next time, happy funnel hacking.